Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee. This video is going to be about my Honda HRN 216 and a major fault that just happened in the last few weeks and it's getting worse, so I'm about to show you. Here we go. Over the years I've owned lots of Hondas and done lots of videos on them, and most of the issues have been with the tires or grass getting caught in the back or some markings they could add. But overall it is a great mower. Hondas are great, and I'm not sure if they're still making them this year, but I hope so. So in the last few weeks it's been really hard to pull and get the mower started. As you can see, it's so hard that I broke the pull handle, and if you pull, it just doesn't go anywhere. Occasionally it will start or try to start, but it really does have a big backlash to it, and it's probably on its last legs. I've read and seen some videos on people having some crankshaft issues with the Hondas in the last few years. I'm not sure if that's this issue or not. But anyway, it looks like I'll have to get a new mower for the season as it's fast approaching. Occasionally, like I said, the mower will start, but it is kind of dangerous because it does have a lot of backlash when it doesn't start, and it'll rip your arm off just about. So I think it is on its last legs, unless I can figure out what the problem is, but we shall see. Hondas are great mowers, and this is my first major issue I've had with it, but things happen, I guess.